Welcome to another exciting episode of Learn with Gravity, where we break down complex ideas and help you unleash your creativity. In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of faceless videos on YouTube. Have you ever wondered how to create engaging content without showing your face? Whether you're camera shy or simply want to maintain your privacy, faceless videos are a fantastic way to build a YouTube channel. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from writing a script to generating visuals, adding voiceovers, and finally editing everything into a polished video. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's take a moment to appreciate some YouTube channels that have mastered the art of faceless content creation. For instance, channels like Real Life Lore, the richest in timeline world history documentaries, have managed to captivate millions of subscribers without ever showing a face on screen. These channels excel in using a combination of animation, data visualization, and compelling storytelling to engage their audience. It's a brilliant strategy that allows creators to focus entirely on content quality and creativity rather than personal appearance. Now, let's get started with the first step in creating your faceless video: writing the script. A good script is the backbone of any successful video, and for this, we'll be using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can generate high-quality scripts in a matter of seconds. Imagine you're creating a kid's story video. All you need to do is open ChatGPT and type the following command: give me a script for a YouTube channel that is about kids' stories. Within moments, ChatGPT will provide you with a creative and engaging script that you can customize to fit your channel's unique style and tone. This process is not only efficient but also incredibly versatile, allowing you to generate scripts for any type of content you wish to create. With your script in hand, it's time to move on to the next step: creating visuals. For this, we'll be using Adobe Firefly, a free and user-friendly AI tool designed for image generation. To begin, return to ChatGPT and enter the command: can you turn my script into 15 different images for a YouTube video? I want each image to represent a part of my script. ChatGPT will then generate 15 detailed image prompts based on your script. These prompts are crucial because they ensure that each visual element you create is perfectly aligned with the narrative of your video. Once you have these prompts, simply copy them into Adobe Firefly and let the AI generate the images for you. Adobe Firefly makes it easy to produce high-quality visuals that will captivate your audience and enhance the overall storytelling experience. After your visuals are ready, the next step is to add voiceovers to your video. For this task, we'll be using Clipchamp, a versatile tool that offers a wide range of voice options. To generate the voiceover, simply paste your script into Clipchamp and select a voice that matches the tone and style of your video. Whether you're aiming for a friendly, energetic voice or something more calm and soothing, Clipchamp has you covered. This tool allows you to create professional-sounding voiceovers without the need for expensive recording equipment or a soundproof studio. In just a few clicks, your voiceover will be ready, adding a crucial layer of engagement to your faceless video. Finally, we'll bring everything together using CapCut, a powerful yet easy-to-use video editing tool. CapCut allows you to import your visuals and voiceover, arranging them on a timeline to create a seamless and professional video. With CapCut's intuitive interface, you can easily add transitions, text, and special effects to make your video more dynamic and engaging. This final step is where your creativity truly shines, as you have the freedom to experiment with different editing techniques to produce a video that stands out from the crowd. And there you have it, Gravity Learner's a complete guide to creating faceless videos for YouTube. This method is perfect for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes while still producing high-quality, engaging content. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your content strategy, faceless videos offer endless possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Learn with Gravity, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.